Today we're in São Paulo in the Vila Madalena neighborhood. We're going to take a look at the nightlife here heading towards Pinheiros. It's a very happening street here at night. A lot of bars and restaurants, cafes, real close to the Arts District, towards Batman Alley in the opposite direction. So this is a happening place. And I don't speak Portuguese, so Lord knows what she was saying to me. Anyway, we're going to see a lot of street art down this way. And those bars, restaurants, cafes I talked about. This corner here seems to be owned by about the same restaurant group. They all offer very similar servings. Popsicles with their caipirinhas and pork belly. Love eating the pork belly at a couple of these joints right here. All right, they're turning. We will cross. There's a pattern on the sidewalk, very typical in Brazil. Acai joint across the street with some art. And again, we are heading the opposite direction of Batman Alley or Beco do Batman. And towards Pinheiros. This is my first trip to Sao Paulo, and I must say I like this area of it quite well. Very nice, lots of nice restaurants and cafes. So Vila Madalena, I would highly recommend coming here. Got some nice trees in the street. Maybe not as mature trees as we saw in the Buenos Aires walking tours. But this will just give you a little idea of what it looks like in this area of Sao Paulo. Little Negroni spot. And here in Sao Paulo's western zone is considered one of the safest and most walkable parts of the city. More pedestrians, cyclists, and a stronger cafe culture here. And usually associated with these trendy spots in different neighborhoods, there is a significantly higher rate of income here than in other areas of Sao Paulo. There's valet right there for 40 reales or $8 USD. And the population in this part of Sao Paulo tends to be younger crowd, 20s, 30s, early 40s. And you're going to see that with both these neighborhoods, Vila Madalena and Pinheiros. Pinheiros, you're going to notice a lot more traffic, as we can see already. It's a lot busier part of the city. Vila Madalena is more of an artsy district. You'll really see that if you go back and watch the Beco do Batman Alley video. Very artsy over there. And that's going to be it for this walking video. We're going to end it here, and hopefully you join us in the next one, which will probably be a Pinheiros walking video. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe and like button, and we'll see you in the next one.